Now we will check how to do a A/B testing. A/B testing is nothing but we'll create a two variations of the ad. Okay, for the same thing. Okay, we'll create a two variations. First one ad will be with a different heading and different link, everything. The second ad we will create with a different description and heading. Okay, and we will check that which ad performing better, and we'll continue with that particular ad for the future. Where it will be available creation of variations, we have to go to more option, select drafts and extension, there we have to select a add add variations, select that add variations. Once you have been selected add variation, we can select a new add variation to add one more, like to variant for all campaign or only selected campaign. We can say for a selected campaign, this particular campaign done. Okay, in that which type of the ad you would like to select as a variation, text ad. Okay, and filter the ads, you can check, you can filter the ads based on this one. No need to filter the ads, you can say continue. In that find and replace, you can or update the text or swap the header, headline 1 and 2. For example, if you like to swap the headline 1 and 2, okay, in one ad first two headline will be second headline in a second ad. Okay, like that we can swap the heading and we'll check which heading will be having a maximum traffic, and we'll say continue. Then it will ask for the variation name. We can say headline swap. So headline we have been changed and we have been checking. And again it will be start date, it will ask. Again we'll say from first. Okay, end date will be 10th. Okay, or we can say that from for first 3 days you just run the variation. We'll check, and the variation split also we can say 50-50. Would you like to create a variation of the all the ads, and would you like to create variation 50-50, or original ad with the 70% running and 30% of the time you will be showing up the variation ad for the first 3 days. If you are selecting a 70, or if you are saying a 40, then first variant will be shown 40 and the second variation will be showing up 60% of the time. So we'll say 50-50 so that we'll come to know that which ad is better. Then say create variation. Okay, the variation has been created. In the sense, whenever you are checking, okay, whenever the ad has been run, okay, first 50% of the time the original ad will be shown. Okay, and 50% of the time this variation will be shown, and you can able to understand that what type of the clicks you are getting for the variation, and how much clicks you are getting for the your original created ad. So that we'll come to know that which variation is a better, which has a better clicks, that will be a better variant. So we'll continue with that particular variation. Okay, we can select here campaign experiments, we can say new experiments again. Okay, we can create a experiments from the draft. Okay, if you are already created a draft, okay, campaign draft, if you are created, from there we can do a experiments also for entire campaign. Select a campaign. Okay, draft name. In the sense, you are just creating a draft and you are checking with the original campaign. Like that you can also create a draft and check, and you can say here draft text, then save. Okay, here we have been created a two ad groups in that particular campaign. We have a two ad groups. They have been taken into a your drafts. Okay, we'll go to drafts and experiments and add variants. Okay, campaign drafts. Here new draft. Here you can create a campaign experiment, like new experiment name you can give experiment 1. Again, you can also start from a one particular day and end on a, you can also split that entire campaign to a, like this, 50-50%, and you can say save. Original campaign we have to select, not November, it should be October. October, save. So that one more experiment has been created, in the sense original, the draft will be in the sense this entire campaign will run for the 50% of the time, and the particular original campaign will run a 50% of time, and you will come to know that okay, what type of the variation we can check in the ads we have in, okay, all campaign view, like the for the ad what type of the clicks we are getting. Okay, these draft experiments, okay, this campaign experiments will help. Okay, once you have been created a drafts, once you have been created a campaign draft, you can check the entire campaign. For the entire campaign also you can do A/B testing by using the campaign draft and campaign experiments. If you're using an ad variation, only for the ad A/B test you can do. Okay, you will be doing a A/B test for the ad by using a ad variation. Okay, this is about a A/B testing in a Google Ads.